Hey guys, what's up? Today we are gonna check out the new Mivi Collar Flash wireless earphones. These are the latest earphones by Mivi right now, and they claim to give 10 hours of battery in just 10 minutes of charge. So without any further ado, let's unbox it quickly and check out if it is true or not. So this is the retail package of Mivi Collar Flash wireless earphones, and I bought it from Amazon for just Rs.1000. Here on the front of the box they have mentioned three main highlights: deep and powerful bass, fast charging, and made in India. All of these three highlights are a plus point. Then on the back they have mentioned many other features which I'll tell you later in this video. Now let's open it up and check how the product really looks like. Nice, let's take the earphones out. I'll keep it aside for now. Let's check what else is there in the box. So apart from these earphones, I got these extra earbud tips and one micro USB cable. It is very disappointing to see these companies are still stuck with the micro USB port and not using the USB Type-C. Other than that, we have this user manual and welcome note for new customers. And here is our main product, the Mivi Collar Flash. The neckband here is very flexible and not the hard plastic type, which is a good thing. On the right end of the neckband, we get all the controls including volume up and down button, power button and microphone with LED indicator light. And then there is this micro USB port for charging. Next, the earbuds have a metal housing which is always good for both the looks and sound quality. With that, they also have the magnets on the back and they can stick to each other like this. The quality of earbud tips look okayish to me and the wire quality is also not that good. It could be better. Now, let me connect it to my mobile. We have to hold the power button to turn it on and then just select the Mivi Collar Flash in Bluetooth settings and that's it. Also, we can connect it to two devices at same time, which is good if you use multiple devices at a time. So looks matter, right? So this is how it's gonna look when you wear it. And let me now connect it to my phone and check how it sounds like.
A few moments later.
Talking about the sound quality, the volume is pretty good and it can get very loud. Also, it compresses the noise a little bit. The bass is also good, but it's not the best I hear experience. But yes, it's good considering the price range. And I like the overall sound quality, but this is just a first impression. It's not the overall review. I'll make a separate video about the pros and cons of these earphones in few days after testing it. So make sure you subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when the video comes out. Now let's talk about the main highlight of this earphone, the fast charging and battery life. They claim to give 24 hours of battery life in full charge and 10 hours of battery life in just 10 minutes of charge. And now it is time to test this theory. So the battery was at 90% when I first connected it, and then I kept the songs playing for around 12 to 13 hours and now it is showing me 40% of battery left. And I am using this 15-watt Samsung charger to charge it with the cable we got in the box. So let's start the charging and see how much battery we get in 10 minutes. 10 minutes are over now. The battery percentage we get is 70%. Awesome. So battery got increased 30% in just 10 minutes with a 15-watt charger. You can also use 25-watt or higher power charger to charge it even faster. So I think yes, you can get around 8 to 9 hours easily with just 10 minutes of charge. And if you charge with a high power charger, then it can easily get 10 hours in just 10 minutes. Also, these earphones have IPX4 splash resistance. So I tested it by splashing some water on it and it came out just fine. No harm done there. Also, one thing I wanted to mention that the earphone cable is not tangle free. So I kept the earphones away for a few hours and this is what happened. And now last but not the least, this is the call quality you are gonna get while using the inbuilt microphone for calling purpose. And it's pretty good actually, as they have MEMS mic that picks up your voice clearly and cuts down the ambient noise. So if you are looking for a Bluetooth neckband earphone under 1000 rupees with fast charging, good battery life and good microphone and sound quality, then you can definitely consider this one. Let me know in the comment below if you have any questions regarding these earphones, and hit the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel if you like to see more tech videos and honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.